Guys, I can't believe I have to say this, but don't vape Viagra. According to the US Food and Drug Administration, they had to tell a Chinese vaping company to stop selling illegal e-liquid containing unapproved drugs for erectile dysfunction. This is the world we live in, guys. What is happening, people? This is InformOverload. I'm Charlotte Dobre, and if you're bored of the same old news cycle, smash the subscribe and turn on notifications. I respond personally to the first comments on our videos, so that gives you some incentive, huh? Nice little response from the potato queen. And by the way, we are on the gram. Follow us for daily updates and behind the scenes content. Alright gentlemen, if you have erectile dysfunction, no shame. It's all good, no judgment, but just don't consume your penis pills through your vape. Vaping has become an effective alternative to quitting smoking. Vaping is still a relatively new thing, and we don't know the full long-term effects of it. We also don't know for sure if vaping could be an effective way of administering drugs, but most of the evidence available suggests that it is not safe to administer drugs with a vape. There are some vaping products available that are strictly therapeutic, where the e-liquid doesn't contain any nicotine at all, but if the e-liquid contains substances that are not approved by federal agencies, that's for a reason. The FDA has begun their vape crackdown, where they are going after any vape company that doesn't follow its rules. This is part of their mission to try and save youth from the vaping epidemic. The FDA has already inspected Juul's headquarters for evidence that they marketed their products to underage kids. But in addition to going after companies that put youth at risk, the FDA is also being tipped off about vaping companies that are putting drugs in their e-liquid. And they're starting with the Chinese company that's selling unapproved vape juice that contains prescription drugs. HelloSig Electronic Technology, a China-based vaping company, has been issued a written warning from the FDA to stop selling e-liquid containing drugs for erectile dysfunction. The company was also selling e-liquid with unapproved weight loss drugs. HelloSig claimed on its website that their e-liquid was approved by the FDA, but it definitely wasn't. That was a full-on lie. According to the FDA, information on the HelloSig website is directed to consumers and conveys, misleads, or would mislead customers into believing the products are approved by the federal agency, and as such, are misbranded under federal law. Naughty, naughty. HelloSig's e-cigs e-liquid was found to contain prescription drugs, tadalafil and sildenafil. Tadalafil is found in Cialis, an erectile dysfunction prescription drug. Another one of the company's e-liquids tested positive for sildenafil, which is the active ingredient in Viagra. Yes, both of these drugs are approved by the FDA to treat erectile dysfunction, but only if you have a prescription. The thing about these e-liquids is you could purchase them without a prescription, which is illegal. Yes, both drugs are legal, but not as a part of an e-liquid. According to IFL Science, the reason why you need a prescription is because both of these drugs are inhibitors that can interact with the nitrates found in prescription drugs used to treat high blood pressure and heart disease in a dangerous way. You should not be taking prescription drugs unless your doctor gave you a prescription. Prescription from your doctor. I really enjoy clapping. I think it's fun. I think it adds weight to my words. Words! This is a serious topic. No more clapping. At this time, there are no e-liquids that contain prescription drugs that have been proven safe or effective through this route of administration. As in, it is not safe to vape prescription drugs. Vaping active drug ingredients is an ineffective route of delivery and can be dangerous. I can't really imagine why people would want to vape prescription drugs, especially something like Viagra, but the people who have vaped e-cigs says that it tastes like a cross between cheap vodka and Listerine. Another e-liquid that you definitely want to stay away from is a HelloSig flavor called e-rimonabant. It was an anti-obesity medication, but it was banned because it caused literal mental disorders. I guess Hello e-cig doesn't care that they're selling dangerous banned medication in their e-liquids. I mean, go to the gym, mental disorder. Yeah, I'm gonna go with go to the gym. At this time, all of the e-liquids that the FDA found traces of medication in have been removed from HelloSig's site. Okay guys, that is all I have for you on that. It's time to do some of your comment replies. Abdullah Ibrahim said, I love you, my belly buttonless potato queen. Yeah, I love you too. Marcus said, why are you only reading the first comments? Because I only have an hour to write videos and I don't have time to spend longer than a few minutes looking at comments. I don't know said, all the InformOverload people are robots. We have been discovered. Theron Boward said, I don't think Charlotte knows how much being featured means to us. I do actually. I know that it means a lot to you. I wish we could feature more of your comments, but we can't. Kirby the Underdog said, they never show my comments. I think it's because I'm brown. No, that's definitely not the reason. I just probably haven't seen your comment. The video is over. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to go on an IO binge, we put together a playlist for you that's right over here. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so I can see you in a future IO video.